Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making nachos. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 bag of restaurant-style tortilla chips, 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, 1 15-ounce can of refried beans, 1 cup of black olives, 1/2 cup of onion, 3 scallions, 1 cup of jalapeno peppers, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1/2 cup of avocado, 1/2 cup of cilantro, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the olive oil to the frying pan, then saute the onions for 2 minutes. Now add the ground beef. Season the ground beef with the cumin, paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Then allow it to cook until the meat has browned. Now add the beans and water and continue cooking for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove it from the heat, then set it aside until later. Now it's time to layer your nachos. On a cookie sheet covered with foil, place the nachos in a single layer. Now add the ground beef and bean mixture. Add the olives and jalapenos, then top with cheese. Now add a second layer of chips, followed by the meat and bean mixture, olives, jalapeno, and cheese. Transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 10 minutes or until your cheese is melted. After the cheese is melted, return it to the countertop to add your veggies. Add the scallions, tomato, avocado, and cilantro, then it is ready to serve. These nachos make for a great game day appetizer. I really hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.